Gold IRA versus Roth IRA, which is smarter for $500,000? Retirement decisions define financial security. With $500,000 saved, choosing between a Gold IRA versus Roth IRA can shape your long-term wealth. Both offer unique advantages. One protects against inflation, the other builds tax-free growth. The goal is simple: balance safety with prosperity. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that lets you hold physical gold, silver, or other precious metals instead of paper assets. Protects wealth during inflation and crises. Stores metals in secure, IRS-approved vaults. Ideal for investors who value safety over growth. However, gold doesn't earn dividends or interest. Returns depend solely on market prices. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars, allowing tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. No taxes on qualified withdrawals. Invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Perfect for long-term, growth-focused investors. If you expect higher future taxes, a Roth IRA can save you thousands over time. Comparing risks and rewards, Gold IRA stability, shields wealth during downturns but can stagnate and lacks income. Roth IRA growth, offers compounding returns but is exposed to market volatility. Taxes, now or later? Gold IRA, contributions may be deductible now, but withdrawals are taxed later. Roth IRA, pay taxes up front, then enjoy tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Liquidity, Gold IRA, selling gold requires custodian approval and may involve fees. Roth IRA, contributions are accessible anytime, making it more flexible. Smart strategy for $500,000, a blended plan often works best. $350,000 in a Roth IRA for growth. $150,000 in a Gold IRA for protection. This mix balances stability and long-term profit potential. There's no one-size-fits-all answer in the Gold IRA versus Roth IRA debate. If you value security, gold offers peace of mind. If you seek tax-free growth, a Roth IRA is unmatched. For many investors, combining both ensures wealth that's protected and growing, the ultimate path to retirement strength. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.